Are your highest qualified people doing the lowest value work? Does it take way too long to process your current images? Are you frustrated that your data is not accurate enough at the scale you need? Your day may look like this. You spend all day taking pictures on site. You need to build a tool to transcribe all those images, have your highly skilled people manually transcribe them. You need another person to check the quality. You need to copy all those transcriptions to your core system. I won't even go on. And if you want to automate this, building an AI platform is a huge investment and needs an army of data scientists. And even if you get it to work, AI solutions don't guarantee quality and are extremely complex to use. You could use labeling companies or BPOs, but they're too expensive, slow, and they take a long time to train. RPA is not powerful enough to get the job done, nor is it adaptable enough. And if you get any of these to work and you need to modify it, well, you might as well start from scratch. And that's why we built super.AI. With super.AI, you can transform this process to this. You take the images like normal, upload them into the system, and we do the rest. Let's take a look how this works. It happens in 3 easy steps. Create the application, teach it, and automate it. Let's jump in and take a look. First, create your application with the click of a button. It all starts with a few simple steps to define what you want to do. Just enter some instructions to define what you're trying to do. Don't worry if they're not complete yet, because we'll refine them later. Enter the fields that you want transcribed. For now, we'll use serial numbers and model numbers. Getting your data into the system is really easy. We support CSV, JSON, and entering data manually. There's also our API if you want to integrate it into your own systems and send data automatically. It's got a ton of documentation, and it's really simple to use. Here are some images of industrial equipment that I'm going to upload. It's as simple as dragging and dropping it into our tool. Now I can sit back while the data is labeled by our combination of humans and AI. The cool thing is, the super.AI automatically creates both an AI model and a human interface. As you process the data, the AI model automatically learns. This is the teaching and automation phases. The more you teach, the more the system automates itself. Now you can see that our data has finished processing. Let's check out the results. Work queues give you an overview of all data points. You can filter it down by the ones you're particularly interested in or by the status. Here's our input data and what's come back from the system. I can check that these transcripts are correct and then click the correct/incorrect buttons up there. This not only helps you keep tabs on the quality, but helps the super.AI learn and improve over time. Here we see there was a problem with input data, and it's been flagged by the system. You can use these flags to see what might need to be reprocessed. Here the system has flagged an edge case that the instructions we entered don't cover. So we can go back to the instructions and add some clarification to stop this happening again. Then go right back to reviewing. Once I'm done, I can review the results, and if I need higher quality, I can also think about getting more humans involved. You can easily see all the results in the CSV format, or you can hook up our API to ingest into your own system. We've just scratched the surface of what super.AI can do, but hopefully you've gotten an idea of the power it brings for many visual inspection use cases. This is an indispensable tool for getting data you can rely on and to save your most valuable people's time. If you'd like to find out more and how super.AI can help your business, just click below to schedule a demo.